The Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc released its first list of candidates for the KHADC and GHADC elections, with 15 candidates for KHADC and 11 for GHADC. Mpcc President Vincent Pala said the second list, pending finalization for constituencies with multiple applicants, will be released by the first week of January 2025. Pala also criticized the UDP for withdrawing support from the KHADC alliance, accusing them of betraying the people, and emphasized Congress' roles in preventing administrators' rule and defending public welfare.
Number of candidates. Banito ipiba nilaray katuk aniki candidates Khadc na for KHADC but Khadc na GHADC. Kiba tamin sele adien nama kidon ki sit kiba bun kiba apply ni hable work ni hab persang ban ka consensus na do block do district kata bang ni klem la ban rai barok sen rai dengan hable work.
Today,